Hello, my name is Jamie Guevara, 22 years old, and I live in Apalit, Pampanga. I'm known for being a happy person with a positive attitude, even in stressful situations. My strong problem-solving skills and focus on goals are qualities that others often recognize in me. I'm also appreciated for my ability to connect with people and build supportive relationships, both professionally and personally. As an active listener who values an open communication, I excel at collaborating with diverse teams to achieve my shared objectives. I have finished my studies and I'm just waiting for my graduation date at Don Honorio Ventura State University, where I am earning a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I also have an NC2 certification in bartending, which is one of my achievements. My strengths are I'm a quick learner, detailed oriented, and adaptable, which has helped me balance academic and extracurricular activities. Eager to expand my knowledge, I believe my strong work ethic and dedication will allow me to contribute positively to any team. My weakness is that I am a shy person, but I am working on improving this by socializing more with others. Thank you.